Hello my friends, hello everyone, welcome back to another episode, a long overdue episode, and today we're going to be detailing my parents' little Nissan. Real quick before we get started, I just want to start off with a couple footnotes here. First of all, thank you to all of you. Thank you to everyone who's been watching, liking, commenting, and subscribing. We have soared past 100 subscribers. Now, that's not a lot. In a day and age where 120,000 subscribers is what's needed, it's a tiny little baby step, but it's a step. And I'm really excited. Some of you have been my friends and my family. You guys subscribed when there were 0 subscribers, and you've been along for the journey the entire time, so thank you all. This is my parents' little car. It's a basic car. It's a go-kart with the shell. It's a 2014 Nissan Versa Note. It's a fantastic car for its purpose, and that purpose is to get in a vehicle and drive from point A to point B and use as little gas as possible. Now this is their car, but they've kind of stopped using it. They've really been at home, especially with quarantine and everything that's going on, and they've let me drive it to work. I commute 52 miles one way, that's 104 miles a day up to Santa Fe. So this car has been a wonderful tool. Now, it's in desperate need of some attention. It is absolutely disgusting. It is filthy inside and out, and just because it's a simple car, it's not a Ferrari, it's not a Dodge Viper, it doesn't mean you can just ignore it. Every vehicle is a blessing. It's a luxury that more people don't have than do have. So today I'm gonna super detail this thing, top to bottom, inside and out. I pay particular attention to all the weather stripping, any of these rubber components. The dirt really sticks to them, and the pressure washer doesn't quite do it. You have to have that tactile component. So just get in here, look at that. Look how black it is. So yeah, let's just get this all taken care of, and then we're gonna do the high pressure rinse. I usually towel dry everything and just do a quick buff to get rid of things like these watermarks here. Well, I have something silly like this in a garage, Jeff. It's just a garage, Jeff. You don't need all this stuff just in a garage. Well, I don't know. Maybe I want somewhere to hang out while I wait for my detailed car to dry off. Cheers. I'm going to do my tire shine outside, and then we're going to pull it in and finish everything up inside. One of my favorite little tricks that I've learned to do here, and for me this makes all the difference. Take your tire shine, hit your wheel wells with it. And it looks absolutely amazing. It just blacks out that whole wheel well. And remember to take a step back, because there's things up close that you're not going to see. Don't forget about the little mud lip under the front of the vehicle. That's black, that's plastic. That ties into the wheel wells. I'm gonna hit that with tire shine as well. And we're gonna finish off here with a quick wipe down of Quick Wax. And I guess for those of you that have never applied a product like this, it's really simple. I love Quick Wax, I think they're excellent products. Mine's Meguiar's. There's definitely no sponsorship or anything here, I just like the product. I like to apply to the towel, and all you're doing is spreading the wax around on the surface. It's not going to be perfect yet, and you're just spreading an even layer. You can apply to the surface as well, and that's it. You're just going to spread this around. We're not going crazy yet because we're just letting it kind of sit on the surface. I go panel by panel, door by door, and then once it's all spread evenly across the whole surface, I give it a minute, and I flip the towel around to the nice dry side. And now you're going to buff that wax, and this is how you're going to get rid of the streakiness. And all that this is gonna do is provide an extra layer of protection. Dust and dirt that's gonna settle on here, inevitably here, is just gonna blow right off when you drive it. You can actually use a microfiber towel and just wipe the car down for the next couple of weeks. It really goes a long way to making it easy to keep this car clean in the future. Look at this beauty, you guys. It is all done. I waxed up the whole exterior. We're done on the outside. It's beautiful. Look at the reflections. It's like a mirror shine. You can see the lights in the reflection. It doesn't matter what you drive. Have respect for it. Enjoy it for the privilege that it is to have a working vehicle. Take care of it. Make it look nice. I can't wait to finish this. We're gonna move on to the inside now. So, it's disgusting. Oh, it has been filthy. This has been neglected for so long. It's just coated in dirt, and there's so many rocks. There's so much dirt in here. We're gonna clean every single inch of this. Don't mind the style. These are all covers. This is my parents' car, and they have a dog that they bring in. But you know what? We can make anything look beautiful. For each part of the vehicle, we're gonna start with Big Bertha. We're gonna do a vacuuming of the entire thing and get all this loose dirt. And then we're gonna go back with products and finish it up. Meguiar's Interior Detailer. I love this product. It smells fantastic. I use it for all my general purpose cleaning. That's gonna be all around these edges where the dirt gets in past the seals and the weather stripping. I also use this on all the plastics inside. I'd have to say just about the grossest part of all this, having a dog in the back of your car is just nose snot all over the window. I use the same interior detailer all over the glass. I let it sit for a minute, and then we wipe it off. And it works great for this. You can use Windex. Glass cleaners are fantastic. This stuff works just as well. One final product I'm going to use on the inside to finish this up is going to be the Supreme Shine. Now, I know this is a point of contention for a lot of detailers. I personally like the shine, and this lasts longer than the detailer itself. It keeps a slick surface, keeps it easier to clean for future detailings. Look at this. These are beautiful. Don't forget to do things like your floor mats. They can use all the same shine products that all the plastic and rubber interior can use. Okay, my friends, we are almost done. It's the home stretch. I always work from the back to the front of the vehicle because I like sitting in the car and finishing the dashboard, but we're just applying the Supreme Shine up here on all the plastic and rubber components. And that's mostly just for UV protection for me, honestly, because this car's gonna be in the sun a lot. With detailing, the devil is in the details. Get your fingers in there and do every little crevice, every little switch. It makes the difference. Mind you, I said we're almost done, and that's because I always like to do one more additional thing that helps make this a super detailing, and that's under the hood. I'm a big fan of this stuff. This is Gunk brand, and it's an engine protector, but all I'm gonna do is spray some of this aerosol on there and give everything a wipe down. And the more regularly you do this stuff, the easier all that dirt, everything's gonna come off. I mean, you can just wipe this off. It's amazing. I love this product. I'm not sponsored by anyone. I'm not paid to say anything at all. I'm not paid at all. I do this for fun. I just tell you guys the products I like using just from experience. That is it, my friends. The super detail is complete. We're gonna take a look at the car in just a minute here, inside and out. Every spot on this thing was cleaned and detailed today. I just wanna thank you all again. Everyone, thank you for watching, commenting, and subscribing. We've soared past 100 subscriptions. I'm super excited to keep bringing you more content. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you on the next one.